Here's an interesting hand from the Open Trials selection. And my partner, North, opened 2 diamonds. We play that's a weak 2 with 6 diamonds and not a particularly good hand. The next hand overcalled 2 hearts. What should I do? I've got a good hand, 17 high card points, and I've got 3 diamonds for partner as well. If I said double, it would be penalty, because whenever someone preempts and they overcall and the next hand says double, it's for penalties. So I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to raise diamonds. I didn't want to just blast 3-note trumps. So I bid 3 hearts, which suggested to partner that I had a good hand with 4 spades. And the next hand, the bidding went mad after that. It went 4 hearts, partner bid 4 spades, the next hand bid 5 hearts, and I doubled. That's a penalty double. So I led the king of spades. Now I took the ace of hearts and I just cashed the queen of spades and cashed the ace of diamonds. And now I played a low club. We've already beaten it by 1, but I played a low club because I want Declarer to go wrong. They did. They rose with the ace, and now I think I'm going to make my beautiful king of clubs. Yes, I take the king, and we won't get anything else. Play the jack of spades, gets trumped. And partner has not got any other winners. The king of diamonds is not making a trick, of course. So the bidding was pretty hard for East-West. And they did the right thing by bidding on to 5 hearts, because strangely enough, we are almost able to make 4 spades. So when East bid 5 hearts, of course I would double. And had East decided to take the club finesse when I played the 2, if they'd played the queen, then they would have only gone 1 down. So these hands, it's always hard to make a decision at the 5 level. And I think that my hand was quite a hard one to describe in the first place over partner's weak 2 bid in diamonds.